Hi guys, welcome back. Lori here on Vancouver Island, and I am back in the craft room. It feels like forever, but it's only been a couple of days since I've actually been in here and poured some paint. So I'm going to get right down to it. I'm actually getting a little concerned about not so much things to pour on, because I still have cupboards. Right? And if all else fails, there's actually 4 of my cupboard doors that I'm planning on pouring sometime. They're huge. They're really big doors, so I'm a little freaked out by that. But I'm a little worried about running out of base paint, too. So yeah, I emptied one of my, I guess it's just a gallon. I don't know, maybe it's 2 gallons, one of the big jug. And poured it into, I've got 2 small containers of it, and then I've got about a half a gallon of my purple and maybe a half a gallon of that kind of off-white grayish primer paint in one. So I don't know. Oh, well, the stuff that I made my black with too, I have a jug of white of that, so I might be okay for a few more weeks. Around here we do have a Walmart that allows you to pick up groceries, and I've scheduled that. I couldn't get in till next Friday. Wow, which is like a week from today, but so we've done that, and then we do have a grocery store that will deliver as well out here. Yeah. We're still staying quarantined. I don't know what the rest of the world is doing, but we're still staying quarantined. Anyway, so today I've got another record to paint on. Oh, and remember when I did Mom's hair the other day? I had a little bit of that purple dye left, and so I mixed it with some white paint, and I'm gonna try throwing it in, and we're gonna see what happens. So I think I might use my purple base paint. And then I've got a deep cyan blue, a cerulean blue, and this no-name blue that, I don't know. It's a custom mixture from something. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm still waiting for feedback on my garden tour about whether or not I need to start that as another channel, or if I could, just do it as another thread on this channel, because I'd hate to have to run 2 channels. That would be kind of time consuming, but I do want to document my gardening adventures so that I can learn how to do that better as well. Anyway, let me know what you think. And thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, it's right down there somewhere. And yeah, let's pour some paint. My gosh, I am in love with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am going to take a torch to it, just really lightly, just to try to get rid of a few of these bubbles that I'm seeing. I don't want a bunch of cells popping up, because I am just in love with this. I love this burst of white here. And what color was that? Oh, that was that lilac. That lovely, lovely lilac that I made with that hair dye and that white paint. So it's gonna be wonderful to see how that dries. So guys, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Have a look at that. Is that not gorgeous or what? Again, I've got a death grip on my phone so that I don't drop it into the paint again. Although you heard what Mom said, the case looks great, but anyway. Hey guys, this is just going to be a set of coasters to go with that fabulous clock that I just made. Same colors, so so here it is the next morning, and it's still stunningly beautiful, but I've got cracks. I'm so sad. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about those. If maybe I'll just touch them in with some gold paint or something, but look at all around the edge. I've got those dang cracks. So darn it, that is upsetting. The coasters turned out beautifully, and they don't show any kind of cracking at all. And they're beautiful. I love the way that lilac from the hair dye and the white paint is just very subtle in there. But you can see it, especially right there, that very light pinky color. That's it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Take care of yourselves and have a great day. Bye now.